Hi there, Andrew here from ATR Plumbing, and today I'm reviewing the Monument Sweatbox soldering tray. I've been using this now for a few weeks and I really like it. It's a good product. As you can see, it's got a carry handle tray. It's got lots of storage, space for your gas bottle, flux, solder, two sides, lots of space in them. But the main advantage for this tray to any other tray is it has this clamp system which will hold copper pipe up to 28mm. So for when you're soldering, it clamps it in place, because it's always difficult, holding fitting in place without it falling out. So you can solder this inside the customer's property without any risk of damaging the surrounding area. The tray has a built-in, if you can see here, built-in silicone like fire retardant strips on both sides, and the plastic is high grade as well, so it'll take a bit of heat as well. It's solid plastic, it's good. So yeah, I really like the product. I think a few areas could be improved. For me, this front storage area, I've added two space dividers there just to section it out so everything doesn't get jumbled into one. And also, I like my flux brush so no dirt gets on it. I've just added a little silicone nozzle in there just so I can just replace that rather than all the stuff building up inside the tray. But yeah, all in all, another great product from Monument. Very impressed. And if you're a plumber or heating engineer using a blow lamp, I think it would be a great investment for your future, definitely. Thank you.